Hello peoples, hope you're doing well. Mr. Wonderful is absolutely fantastic today. So this is a UK 50p, it's celebrating 100 years of the Girl Guiding UK. Nice, eh? It's Lizzie. Rule Britannia. Right, first of all, let's punch a hole in our little 50p. Hope everybody's great. Right, middle of the road punch today. I've been using this little punch. Oh, it's not the littlest one. It's not the biggest one. It's the middle of the road one. Right, there we go. This is Big Bertha. Big Bertha's on the way out soon, I think. I want to invest in a little tiny tabletop one. Because you have trouble getting past this thing. You come through the door and it's you've got to sort of push the lines out the way, and I don't know, it's all a mess. Right. Beautiful day here today. Sun's out. It's nice and warm again. Right, let us break out Christy Burr. Don't need that. Thank God. Right. Just want to clean up the edge. See, it's a bit sad. And this little tool cleans it up. I think it needs a lot of cleaning up. Oh, that side's pretty good. That side could do it a bit more. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So now we'll break out the one and only. Don't need a fire starter. And we'll give it a bit of the old warmth. Bit of affection. I believe that is sufficient. Right. Just dry it off. A little doming block. Right. So it's going to have to be, this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. It's quite a nice design, isn't it? Shamrocks all over there. So, I don't know where my little ball bearing's gone to. It's hiding somewhere. Oh, here it is. See, my table ain't that bad yet. I never would have found it. Right, we'll go over to Big Red, and we'll show a bit of love. Now, we want one of these. It's a 17-degree folding die. I put a little bit of drop in it. I presume this one will fit. Yeah. Just makes things slide a little easier. There you go. This one's getting a bit sticky. If you put plenty of lube in there, you should be okay. Alright, let's give it a bit of the old 1-2 with our folding cone. Look out sandy. We just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and clean. No cracks forming. It's a bit rough there, but we can soon sort that little problem out. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Getting close to 1,000 now. I looked at 914 today. Touch more. Right, let's give it a bit more love and burning. This just softens up the metal a bit so I can work it a bit easier. Called annealing, you should use oil or let it cool down by itself, but you know, when you're making a video, you've got to use what you've got. Oil would set off my metal detectors. Oil would set off my smoke detectors. Water's okay though, it does the job. 90% of the time anyway. Right. And this is what we've got. So now we need a piece of kitchen roll. We'll go over. There he is. Standing proud. Like a ring stretcher should. That just protects the inner detail of the coin ring. Otherwise, if you didn't use it, you'd lose all the detail. You'd have a nice smooth inside part of the ring. I think I should show it a bit more love. See? The bow in it, you've got to get that out. So, a bit more love. Right. Quench it in some water, and then we can carry on. Okay, just looking to get that bow out of it. This isn't for anybody in particular. It's just me playing. There you go. I'll give it a bit more. If you're looking for a custom ring, looking for something for Christmas or gift for somebody, all I need is their ring size and I'll make you a nice ring for them. Plus they get the video. You can send me details about them and I can chat, you know. You know the score. Now that is perfect. There's no bow in it at all. I'd say that's the most vital part of making a coin ring. Well, for me anyway, is getting that bow out. You don't want any bow in there at all. So have we got any lip in there? Well, a little bit, not much. I don't know what this bow's doing in there. Oh yes I do, I was trying to make some Mickey Mouse pendants. And I can do the Mickey Mouse one, but I couldn't. I was trying to get a bow to fit so it looked like Minnie Mouse. I can't make them out of glass because they're too small. And I've got these little red bows, but no, I didn't like it. I didn't like it, so I'm not using them. Right. Now this is the bottom end of the spike. And this is what reduces and straightens up the walls. If you was to buy a ring from my shop, yourthinginmyring.com, and you wanted that ring slightly smaller, this is what I'd use. Just give it a bit of the old one too. Look at that. Perfect walls, nice and straight. Let's break out Dave the Dremel. She's already in there. Kate Bush is already installed. This just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit. I was just watching some Al Murray videos. God, man, he's so funny. If you like comedy, check him out, Al Murray. I'd like to see him. I've never seen him live. I had the chance of going in January, but I've got other things to do in January in the UK, and I couldn't afford to stay there for like 3 or 4 weeks, so I had to miss him. Which is sad, really. I'd love to have seen him live. Al Murray, check him out. Claire, have you seen Al Murray? You must have done. You live in the UK. Have you ever been to see him live? Bit of the odd polish in there. I can imagine you've seen him live. Claire. I know Sarah's seen him live. Sarah and Richard, my friends in Norwich. Getting a bit warm. These make great gifts, you know. Christmas is coming. You can even send me your own coins, and I'll happily make you a ring. You get the video, it's all included. Ouch. Hot, hot. Hotter than a hot thing. Right, so, all my latest subscribers, thank you. Thank you for hitting the like button, I really do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, how about it? It costs you nothing, it's free. There's no obligation. I don't make any money out of it, it just helps my channel grow a little bit. Come on, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd be doing this just over a year ago. But I'm not the sort of guy that can just sit on his arse and wait to die, you know. You've got to do something. I mean, I like making glass jewellery and clocks and stuff like that, but I'll have to show you the clock I made for my local bar. Oh, you can check it out on Instagram, Your Finger My Ring. I made a Jägermeister pendulum clock, and the pendulum is a fused glass, shot glass I made. I made it for them as a gift. And they said, well, you can have a few free beers. You know, I thought, oh, sounds good. But it's a clean cloth. Not been touched by man. Until I grabbed it. I do clear coat my rings as well. If after a year or so, or depending how you wear it, it starts, you know, wearing off a bit, you can always top it up with a bit of clear nail varnish. It's practically the same stuff as I use, like an acrylic stuff I use for clear coating cars. Right, there you go. £50. You got all the text there. You got the text on the inside. 2010. Good old Lizzie, there she is. Right, what size we got? We've got a size, I say, what do I say? 10? I'm probably wrong. Oh. Little S measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but same thing. It's 11. There it is, damn it. I can make it bigger for you. I can make it smaller for you. It fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. Thank you all for your likes, dislikes, chit chats, you know. And God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and you know the next bit. So bye bye.